in any aspect of life. It's like accountability and, entrepreneurship and real estate investing is challenging for sure. Like, me and Jesse go back and forth. It's probably not the best thing. We're working on our mindset, but we go back and forth where one day we'll be like, man, like all these people backed out and this contract blew up and, we can't find a tenant for our building. And then the next day, like we got 10 showings. We're like, let's go. We got all these showings. We're going to get our building leased. And, it's just, it can be very up and down at times. So I think being in a group that kind of keeps you grounded and also shows you what's possible.
Yeah, it's true. Like literally, if there's a listening, so not only does multifamily mindset, they have their education program, but they also have a podcast. They have podcasts as well. It's just being able to they listen. It's not a podcast with just nothing but gurus and gurus only. Like it's people that are in the program going through it together with you and going over like how they became across their first deal, how they became a part of their first deal. And you're right, mindset is everything. You can see my background right there. Mindset is everything. It's true. Like you could be in entrepreneurship, not just real estate, in entrepreneurship, you have those highs and you have those lows. And when you focus on your mindset and everything about, everything, just focusing on the positive. I think the biggest thing to remember too is you got to focus on the little things, focus on the little wins. Like everyone's always so focused on those big wins. Like, yeah, I took down a 150 unit complex. That's awesome. That's, like, yeah, that's a big win, but focus on the little wins too. And also don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes happen. That's how you learn. And I think that's one of the biggest things is if you make mistakes, yeah, is it kind of a bummer? Yeah, it is. And I think that's kind of where mindset comes in is, turn that around and be like, okay, I made a mistake. I learned from it. Now grow from it and, take what you learned from it and run forward with it. And I think that's one of the biggest things is in any entrepreneurial field that you're in is, focusing on not only the big wins, the huge things that you take down, but, the little things too. So
yeah, absolutely. And I think, kind of going back to what we just talked about, this is one of the last things I'll say. Being in a group with other people also lowers it can, if you pay attention, lower the amount of mistakes that you make because you can watch other people who are ahead of you make mistakes and then learn from those mistakes and say, okay, I'm not going to do that myself. But yeah, no, this has been great. We appreciate you coming on here, Casey. I think it was really good to hear it's good to hear from somebody who's just a couple steps ahead of you. So I think people listening who are brand new, listening to somebody who just went from residential world to Airbnb to, selling one of those properties and rolling in as an LP into their first commercial deal. I think it's an awesome perspective. And I think a lot of people can learn from it. So
yeah, it is.